Howdy, everybody. Hope you're having a blessed day. And so I'm getting ready. I'm heading over to my mama's house. We are going to make cabbage delight. And so we both are big cabbage fans. And so I'm excited to eat that for lunch. It's similar to a dish that Mama used to make when I was growing up. So come along with me and we'll get this show on the road. Welcome to Susie's Secret Recipes. My name is Susie Hyde, and I grew up on a farm in Washington, Oklahoma. My parents taught us kids, number one, to keep Jesus in our heart. Number two, just to keep things country simple and enjoy the simple things in life. And so I've had a wonderful childhood, and I brought everything that I've learned from home and brought it into my household. And so I hope that you enjoy my channel, and I look forward to sharing with you some of the things that I enjoy. And so sit back and let's keep it country simple. So today, Mama and I are going to be making cabbage delight for lunch, and so I'm excited about that. Can't wait to eat it. But first, you're going to want to take a large onion and chop it up. Okay, so you're going to want to use a Dutch oven, like your ceramic Dutch oven. And so we're going to use Mama's green one, and we're going to put just a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of your pan. So just put like a little, about like that. What would that be? Probably a tablespoon maybe in the bottom. And then put your onions in. I just put them in. Now we're going to cut up a head of cabbage, and it's going to go into our Dutch oven along with the onion and olive oil. Let's see. We're going to cook this down and then add our meat mixture. Huh?
Yeah, till it's tender.
Okay. See, it's cooking down. Healthy meal. I mean, there's nothing in it that's going to be bad for you. So if you're watching what you eat, this would definitely be a good dish to fix. Okay, so now it's cooked down. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some rotel. Now you can use, I make my own rotel, and I didn't bring it in my own salsa, but you don't have to. You don't have to. So you can, use the rotel that you get at the store and just pour it in. And then you're going to want to add a little bit of picante or salsa. If you make your own, you can use it, or I'm just going to add just a little bit of. Actually, I think we just had a little bit in there. And then stir it. Mom and I are both a big cabbage fan, so this ought to be good. And then she's going to add her browned hamburger meat. We browned a pound of it. Pepper to taste. I'll let you do the salt and pepper. And I'll stir it. Huh? Oh. Hey, I'll let you do that. Okay. Looks like it's ready. My Mama's getting her a bowl. We're going to try this out and see what we think. It's hot, for sure. That is good. Mm-hmm. Now, if I made this at home, I would have chopped jalapenos in with it. Mm-hmm. But Mama, no. But me and Richard, yes. It would probably be good over rice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I give it a thumbs up. Mm-hmm. And so the Cabbage Delight was a big success. We loved it. In fact, we had it for supper. And so, but the next time I make it, I think what I'm going to do is put some bell pepper and some jalapenos in it. I think Richard and I would like it better that way, just because we like spicy stuff. But other than that, it's really good just, the regular way. And so guys, if you enjoyed the video today, then please give me a thumbs up and then put it in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please click the subscribe button below and click the notification bell, and it will notify you when I'm going to be having another video. And so guys, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. And so may God bless you and happy trails.